travel, but I would think you'd want that to be more secure than that. Because as this is floating back and forth, it could be causing some kind of rubbing of the bearings. So I'm just going to get a thicker lock ring that allows the same amount of play that was on the other joint. Alright, so this axle, I just rebuilt the joints nice and firm. There's no, I think this is called lateral movement, side to side. And for the inboard joint, the only lateral movement is of the CV joint. And what I think is a bad let's see, what I think is a good outboard joint is here. You know, really fractions of movement, but this made me a little worried. So there's, okay, maybe a 16th, less than a 16th, let's say a millimeter and a half of movement. I'm thinking this is actually a bad joint right here. Maybe I could replace the race and the spider, but I'll look for another kit to replace this joint.